I was gifted this incredible bonsai kit a little more than 2 months ago, and here's where we're at. The Delonix popped up immediately. It's been very happy. The locust and the jacaranda have seen better days. I know they're okay though. I just need to water this one a little more than I have been. And the pigeon pea is also extremely happy. The only one I've had a hard time with is the wisteria. And I have chatted with a lot of people who are far more experienced than I am with bonsai, and they were very impressed at how successful of a kit this has been. So I am thrilled. I know I didn't get one to grow, but fortunately, I still have a ton of seeds for all of these, including the wisteria, so I can try again. And at this point, this is a really great time for me to start moving these plants into slightly larger pots. Yes, I'm going for bonsai, which means I will have to focus on keeping them trimmed down to a certain size and contained to a smaller pot. But these containers really are great starter containers, so I will be moving some of these into larger containers. And I love that this kit comes with all the tools I need for that next step. And on top of that, once I empty these wonderful little pots, I can reuse these time and time again as great starter pots. I have really enjoyed how well these have helped my plants grow, how easy they are to move in and out. And I especially love that all these little containers drain, and this has a plastic piece at the bottom, so none of the water is going to damage the wood, and I can put this on pretty much any surface as long as I'm paying attention to it. And if you're taking a break from more seedlings, this is also wonderful for storing everything and sliding the top back on so you're ready for next time. And finally, I love that the bonsai growing guide really helps me take these from germination to sprouting to now replanting and how to care for these moving forward. So wherever you are in your bonsai journey, whether you are a complete beginner or are looking to add to your collection, this is a wonderful starter kit, and I think you will really enjoy it, or it'd make a fabulous gift for the plant lover in your life. The Avergo Bonsai Kit.